Do you sometimes feel like you speak English a little bit like a robot? You say a short sentence, you stop. You say another short sentence, you stop. Today, you are going to learn how to fix this choppy speaking style by connecting your ideas together so you can speak in long, natural, flowing English sentences. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaylin. Let's get started. In our first 3 episodes, we learned how to build beautiful, complete sentences. We learned how to use subjects, verbs, complements, and describing words. So now you can easily say something like, I live in a small house, and you can say, I work in a big office. These sentences are grammatically perfect. In English grammar, a sentence that expresses a complete idea and can stand all by itself is called an independent clause. It is independent because it does not need any help to be understood. However, if we only speak using single, separate independent clauses, our speaking sounds very disconnected. Imagine telling a story like this. I woke up. I was tired. I drank hot coffee. I went to work. It sounds like a children's book, right? To sound more like a natural, adult English speaker, we need to use a special tool to glue these complete sentences together. This grammatical glue is called a conjunction. Conjunctions are very simple linking words that you probably already know. Today, we are going to focus on the 3 most common ones, and, but, and so. The recipe for building a longer, more natural sentence is very simple. You take one independent clause, you add your conjunction, and then you add your second independent clause. Let us look at how each of these 3 words works, step by step. First, let us look at the word and. We use and to connect 2 ideas that are similar or happen together. For example, let us take 2 separate sentences. I woke up early, and I drank hot coffee. These 2 actions are part of the same morning routine, so we can glue them together. We say, I woke up early and I drank hot coffee. Instantly, the story sounds smoother and much more natural. Next, let us look at the word but. We use the word but to show a contrast, a difference, or a surprise. For example, let us take these 2 sentences. She likes strawberries, and she hardly ever eats them. These 2 ideas feel a little opposite. If she likes them, why does she not eat them? We connect these contrasting ideas with our glue. We say, she likes strawberries, but she hardly ever eats them. Using but helps the listener understand that the second part of the sentence is unexpected. Finally, let us look at the word so. We use the word so to show a result. It means that the first action caused the second action to happen. Let us take 2 complete sentences. He runs every morning, and he is in good shape. Why is he in good shape? Because he runs. We can connect them to show the result. We say, he runs every morning, so he is in good shape. Notice how linking the ideas makes your speech feel more smooth and connected. Now, because connecting sentences with words like and or so is very easy, you might feel like adding more and more ideas. You might want to build one very long sentence. For example, you could say, she likes strawberries, but she hardly ever eats them, and she does not earn much money, so she has to be careful with her shopping, and fresh food is expensive. Please be very careful. Just because you can keep connecting sentences does not mean it's a good idea. If your sentence becomes too long, your listener will get lost. They may forget what you said at the beginning. So here's a simple rule to follow. Try to keep your sentence to 2 ideas, or at most 3 ideas. After that, stop, take a breath, and start a new sentence. This will make your speaking clear and easy to understand. Let's quickly review what we learned today. You can stop sounding robotic by combining your short sentences into longer, flowing thoughts. You take two complete ideas, which we call independent clauses, and join them together with a conjunction. Use and for similar ideas, but for contrast, and so for results. Now, I have a question for you so you can practice right away. I want you to combine two complete ideas about your own life using the linking word but or so. For example, you could say, I study English every day, so I'm getting better. Or, I like coffee, but I prefer tea. Write your connected sentence in the comments. I would love to read your answers. If this lesson helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. In our final episode, next time, we will learn the true secret to advanced English grammar, and we will talk about dependent clauses. See you all in episode 5. Bye-bye.